Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing well. Happy Monday to you. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as we will be sticking around through the bear markets, helping you navigate these fearful territories and make profits in the long run. So quick market update right now, guys. Bitcoin is back through that very sensitive psychological level of $30,000. Ethereum also back above $2,000. And we're going to look at some interesting news for Cardano today as to why I still believe this is very much undervalued and really a great investment for a long-term hodl portfolio. So, I do think Cardano is now undervalued against its previous all-time high, and we can see Cardano sets to launch its new project Catalyst on June 1. Input Output Hong Kong, the company behind Cardano, has announced that its project Catalyst Fund 9 will be launched on June 1. This is coming after the company completed the Fund 8 round, with the winners already announced. The project expects to attract a minimum of 1,000 proposals. It's expected to ensure more participation and bring significant improvements to the Cardano network. IOHK, in its recent update about the project, stated that 943 projects are currently building on the Cardano network. That means 18 more projects have been added since the last update of 925. 85 projects have already been recently developed and launched on Cardano. The number of NFT projects also on the rise, basically doubled already, 5,656 NFTs. While, this is really good because it shows that the network is also following the trends in the market and people are selecting Cardano as a network to build on. The hard fork to bring massive improvement on the platform as well. Cardano is also expected a strong positive reaction from the community in anticipation of the Vasil hard fork build for June 29 next month. So get ready because Cardano is probably going to sail its way back to $1 over the next few days and weeks. The hard fork is expected to bring massive improvement on the platform as well as in its smart contract platform. So let's have a little look at Cardano. You can see we're up 2.71% on that daily time frame. We're still a rank 7 project with an $18.6 billion market capitalization. So yeah, look at this, guys. It looks like we are finding a bit of a bottom around this particular level. I do think that it is possible to still come down to 0.26, 0.36, but for a long-term hodl, looking at the future, I do think this is a great project to potentially start buying as, we look at some of these long-term targets and it's taking us all the way up to $4.80 and even some extremely bullish targets of $10 and $11, which I do truly believe will happen in the next few years and months. So what's happened on the weekly time frame for Cardano? We're starting to bottom out on the RSI, sitting at 30 on the relative strength index. You can see we got that big rejection on the bull market support band on the 28th of March, and ever since we've just seen more rejection to the downside. Now it's interesting to see that we did come down to 0.37, the reaccumulation range. We were extremely oversold on the RSI at this particular point. We've not come down to this level on the RSI at all, even over the last 2 years for Cardano. So that was a really good reaccumulation zone. If you got in there, awesome work. And what I'm seeing now is that we've flipped this back into support at 0.43 and also the 0.52. And looking at the 4-hour time frame, we are putting in a beautiful looking symmetrical triangle at the moment, which I do expect will break out to the upside over the next few days and even weeks. Yes, that's right, to the upside. So I'm expecting bullish momentum here. We're going to look through the technical target. If we do break to the upside on this particular pattern, we should come up to the previous resistances around that $0.79 level if we get the breakout. Of course, we've got resistance here at 0.67 as well, and it's quite important to look at these resistances and why we have these resistances. This one is written in from the 14th of February 2021, which is why I also think that's going to be a bit of a sticky point. But if we do break out this symmetrical triangle, it's going to be a really nice continuation to the upside and almost a reversal. I think we're going to see that bullish reversal to about $0.79, and that's going to create a lot of hype and euphoria around this project. Alternatively, we could still lose the support level and come back down to the 0.35 if Bitcoin decides to plummet back down to the 200-week moving average, which I do think is quite unlikely on this particular occasion. So looking at Bitcoin at the moment, we can see we're getting a lot of buying pressure and we're just trading along this very sensitive support level here. If we look at our daily time frame, again, we are in this symmetrical triangle pattern. daily time frame, the price has been coming down, but the RSI is coming up, so we've got a bit of a bullish divergence on this particular time frame, and I think it does extremely look bullish once again. Getting a lot of consolidation, we're putting through those resistance levels where we need to, just like so, and we're getting ready to take a push to the upside if we can hold this fine level. Again, I think we'll be seeing a £26,000 Bitcoin. We're on the wrong chart over here, so back into the dollar time frame. Again, I think we're going to put through a higher high, maybe 31k for the US dollar, and maybe even 33k on the US dollar. Of course, got lots of support at 28.7k. So feeling fairly confident about Bitcoin. And I think looking at the RSI down below on the weekly time frame, again, it does show room for further capitulation, but we've not seen this level of fear since the COVID 2020 crash. As you can see, 2020 over here, we saw the same levels of RSI, and I think that's extremely important to take into consideration the sentiment of the market at the moment. So this is where the money is made in the long run, guys. So if you want to grab some Cardano or Bitcoin today, make sure you use the link at the top of my description and open an account today. Grab some cryptocurrency. Of course, not financial advice. What is also going on? Crypto fear and greed, we're sitting at 10 on the extreme fear side. And, you know, we're very much aware that money is made in the bear markets. As you see, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are a little bit too worried. That could be a buying opportunity in this space. So that's about a wrap really of this video, guys. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment down below. Make sure you come and hop into the Discord channel as well. We're about 250 members, growing strong. It's also the last day to enter my Twitter giveaway. So get yourself over there, enter the Twitter giveaway, or subscribe to the channel. That will equally make you enter for this particular giveaway, which will be ending tomorrow. Winner announced just tomorrow. I appreciate the view. Have a great day. Stay crypto safe. Bye now, guys.